Okay, so this is objective 3 for the polynomial functions study guide video. This video is called identifying shapes and roots. Okay, so shapes and roots and everything like that. Well, we got to know to start off with shapes like bounces, how many bounces a polynomial function has. Okay, bounces on a graph are determined by taking the degree and subtracting the number 1. Okay, and if you remember the degree, okay, it's going to be the highest exponent. So whatever the highest exponent is, you're going to take that, subtract 1, and that's going to be how many bounces you get. So we got 2 examples right here. Ax to the 5th, bx squared plus c. We don't even need values for a and b because it doesn't matter when we find balances. All I see is the degree is 5. I take the degree minus 1. That means this function would have 4 bounces. Over here, I'll let you look at it. 7, 4, nothing. So obviously the highest degree is 7, that's the degree, and then our bounces are going to be 6. Okay, now what we got to know is when we have our degree, okay, and it's even, our end behavior is going to go in both in the same direction. So when it's negative, the end of the graph is going to go down, and the beginning of the graph will be going like from down to up, and then it'll end going down. Okay, so both sides are pointing down. When it's positive, both sides will be pointing up. Okay? Now, when it's odd, that's when we get like the yin-yang looking graphs where one's going down, one's going up. So when it's negative, it'll finish down, so it'll start up. So it'll go like that, and then it'll finish going down. Okay? And then when it's positive, it'll finish going up, which means it starts like that. Okay? So make sure you fill out that chart and keep referring back to it. Okay, so here, I know this graph is hard to see, but what we got here is we got a graph going up, up, okay? So if it's up, up, I'm gonna look back at my table. I'm gonna say up, up is going to be right there. Okay, so that's gonna be even and positive, okay? Here the graph starts from down and then goes up, okay? So that's gonna be different directions, so I know it's odd. Okay, and it's ending up, so I know it's positive. Okay, the last thing you need to know for this objective, okay, one of the simplest things you guys did back in Algebra 1, okay, is we just got to identify x-intercept. So right there, I know the graph is hard to see, so I'm going to trace it. It's going to go up, down, and back up again. It's going to say, what are the x-intercepts of the function? So I got an x-intercept at -3. I got an x-intercept at 2. And I got an x-intercept at 5, okay? It's just about identifying shapes, roots, all that stuff, polynomial functions. Thanks for watching.